Waitangi, Paihia. For heading out and exploring this beautiful bay of islands, the Waitangi ramp is one of the best options. It is located off State Highway 11 across the bridge heading out of Paihia. It is an all-tide ramp with enough room to launch 2 boats at a time. This ramp allows a shorter run out of the harbour to the bay than the Opua ramp. Care needs to be taken at dead low water as there is a drop-off at the end of the ramp. Most locals launch or retrieve on the firm sand adjacent to the ramp at these times. Also, keep in mind your fishing rods in rocket launchers when coming under the bridge in and out of the ramp. There is roadside parking on the grass adjacent to the ramp, with up to 80 trailers being squeezed in there during peak periods. Keep in mind the one-way bridge when using this ramp, as it can get tricky with more than one boat on it. The facilities are basic. However, there is a bar and restaurant across the road at the Waitangi Copthorne Hotel. Bait, tackle and ice are available in nearby Paihia. The best place to fuel up access-wise is at the service station on State Highway 11 heading north.